All right, just found me this attachment that's very important. This is actually an attachment that will make it your Insta360 compatible pretty much with every GoPro device out there. So the way it works, look at this. It's portable. It's really small and petite, but you got to open these up right here on the side, and it becomes ready to go GoPro attachment. And we're gonna set it up on our system right here. You guys can see that. So we have our GoPro set up. So the way it works, pretty much just slide it in there, close this part out like that. Very simple. Just close it out. Look at that. Set it up, and get our Insta360 and attach it. And that's pretty much it. So you could tighten it up as much as you want. You guys can see that. And this part right here, you could just release it right here, right? And it has a magnet too. Just make sure that when you do that, make sure you twist it to a point where it could release it, because this thing, once it locks in, look at that. I'm gonna do that. Get it in there. There you go. So if you guys can see, it's for GoPro. I'm gonna show you guys. It's for a GoPro. If you guys can see the attachment. So it's very petite, very small. Just make sure that you have enough room here to open it up. But if you're not, just open one side up and it'll come off. Very simple. So I like this setup. This is perfect because I have a lot of attachments for GoPro. I don't want to rebuy them again. And Insta360 only has one part of it. It doesn't have any attachments. You got to provide your own attachments actually. So I got more attachments for GoPro than Insta360, but it's very convenient for me. Instead of buying them again, I'm going to reuse it. So just very convenient, just to let you guys know how it works. Very simple, easy little device. I hope it makes your life easier. I hope you enjoy the video.